Very good evening to all of you. Now I'm going to deliver my lecture on corporate financial management. The topic of the lecture is Modigliani and Miller dividend model. This theory proposed by Modigliani and Miller, Italian American economists in 1961. They were the pioneer in suggesting that the dividends and capital gains are equivalent when an investor considers returns on investment. As per this theory, there are 3 points to be discussed in this lecture. One is dividend, second is dividend policy, and last is valuation. But the valuation has been subdivided again in two parts. One is the valuation is to be done of the market value of share, and the valuation is to be done on the of the firm. According to Modigliani and Miller, the value of firm is totally dependent on the value of earnings. I mean the earnings of firms, and earnings of firms are the result of firm's investment policy, not of the dividend policy. So as per this discussion, we can say the investors do not pay any importance, any attention to the dividend policy or the dividend history of the company, and the dividends, we can say again, the dividends are irrelevant in the valuation of firm. And second, if only the thing that impacts the valuation of a company, its earning, which is direct result of the company investment policy and future perspective. So this basically policy, or this particular theory opposes the theory which believes dividends to be important in the valuation of company. Like, this is totally totally contrast to the theory of Walters and Gordon. Next is, if the company retains earning instead of giving it out as dividend to the shareholders will enjoy the capital appreciation equal to the amount of earnings retained. And second, if the earnings are distributed among the shareholders and not retained, the shareholders would have enjoyed the future time value of money. Finally, again it has been very clear that the division of earning between the dividends and the retained earnings is totally irrelevant from the shareholders' point of view. And next, the theory is also having some assumptions, because every theory has its own assumptions, and this theory basically is having assumptions like there is a perfect market, and the investors are rational in the market, and the taxes are not applicable, the flotation charges are nil, transactions cost will be nil, and fixed investment policy basically means the new investments that are financed through the retained earnings do not change, and the risk and the rate of required return of the firm. Clientele effects will also let you know this has been taken in this particular theory, because the investors are rational, and they will invest their money in the companies where they will feel secure. Okay, the next one is the no risk of uncertainty. It has been assumed again in this particular theory that the investors are not feared with the risk of uncertainty. And last is investment and dividend decisions and are independent. The valuation of market price of share is to be done by applying the formula of the The formula is P0 is equal, P0 basically the market price of share at current or at present. This is equal to dividend 1 plus price 1. Dividend 1 is the dividend to be received after the some time period, after a perfect time period, and P1 is market price of share after the perfect again period, and is to be divided by 1 plus KE. KE here is the cost of capital, as we have discussed in last lecture. Okay, so this is the example on the screen of the computer or my laptop. You can see this particular example is to be solved by applying the formula of the and by applying the formula of the P0, I mean market price of share of the company is if the dividend is paid, because the two questions have been involved in this particularly. The one is the if the dividend is, and second is the if the dividend is not paid. So both the questions are has been solved in this particular the solution sheet. The dividend, if the dividend is paid, the market value of share will live in 15. If it is not paid, again it will live in 15. So again this particular example makes you understand very clearly there will be no relevancy. And theory what the says is the valuation of companies to be done according the formula have been put on the screen. Again, the criticism are also there in this model, and there is no free of Thanks, and my last lecture will be on the